Hello, Tira here. The Jewellery Institute of America and engraver.com are having an open house on March 14th and 15th. Gabriel will have the school open over the weekend to show off his new setting and engraving classroom. Stop by to get the latest class schedule and check out the great learning environment. The school is located in Clifton, New Jersey, close to New York City and on the public transportation bus lines to and from Manhattan. There's a lot of free parking if you plan to drive, and the school is conveniently located near many restaurants and hotels. And from my company, engraver.com, we'll have the tools that we sell available for you to try. Come and check out the new all-electric PulseGraver for engraving and stone setting. That's this guy right here. No air compressor needed, just an electric outlet. Bring your own gravers from work or home so you can get the feel of exactly how different, or alike, the PulseGraver can be compared to the way you currently work. We'll have a lot of gravers sharpened and ready to go too, so don't worry if you forget your gravers. There'll be plenty to try. We'll also have microscopes at the open house, including the Leica S9i microscope with the integrated camera. This bad boy right here. The Leica S7e and the Leica A60F bench microscopes will also be on display. Come on by and talk to us about which microscope might be the right one for your setting or engraving shop. Besides the PulseGraver and scopes, we'll also have our custom cherry setting bench. Some ring genie tools and a lot of Allure gravers, files and beading tools to see during the open house. And I almost forgot the most important part. Free food for the open house. Stop in and we could chat over some snacks. We'll be at the Jewellery Institute from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. Come by and see the great classroom and sign up for a class while you try out the tools. The JIA is a very cool place, and this is your chance to check it out. See you there!